Do TRACC TCP. First you got to sign in as expert or above, then you go to the menu button, configuration, TRACC TCP. We're going to make a tool 12, and we're going to call it hog slat. You'll press save and then next. From here you have to evaluate if your tool is working properly. So currently it's not broken. We're going to move the robot down into it. We're going to see our values change. Now it's broken. From here we measure everything. So our gas nozzle is 22 millimeters wide. Bottom of the taper is 18. Our wire is 1 millimeter. Typically the scan offset from center, I double the wire diameter. And then scan level from bottom would be from your non-tapered section to just below the bottom of the cup. Okay. From here we need to read a couple positions. So we're going to read this position. It's in the center. Save. Next. We're going to move the robot over. Do the same thing. And that's in Y negative. Save. Next. Okay. From here we go back to the middle. Go down in Z. Read position. Save. Next. From here you do initialize, press play, confirm that the face is on the beam. Yes, we can see it is. Press detect, press play again. Here it goes through its motion. Confirm that face is on the beam. Yes. Now estimates come up. Press it, press play. It'll do some motions. Do some rotation and tilt. Okay, confirm the face is on the beam. Yes. Measure. Press play again. Calibration is needed. We want to calibrate because this is our first time. Okay, now we get refuse new TCP or use the new TCP. We're going to use this new one. Press play again. And now we can press next. From here, I know that our robot is probably going to get an axis limit on A5, so we're gonna change our move specs down to the default is 25, 25, 25. We changed it to 20, 15, 15. So, and then you save it and go back. Application tool. Now this is an important part that they don't talk about very well in the manual. So we want to make sure that our tool direction is in X, which would mean -90 here. We also know that I typically use about a 15 millimeter stick out for my wire, and that's measured here. We'll save it and go back. All right, now calibrate the TCP and press play. Calibration is okay. Do you want to calibrate? This first time we're just gonna say yes. Okay, calibration successful. Next, we'll verify. Is the tip near the beam? No. Oops. It's saying that it's going to move. Alright, now we're going to save these new parameters after we hit nominal TCP. Verify. We're going to use the new TCP again. Okay, and we can exit. So from here, we can call this program, and we're going to call this just TRACC. We're going to open it. Move up, send it home. Is the tip near the beam? So typically you'd want some point that gets you very close. Maybe we gotta add that real quick. Yeah, it's Probably best to just add it. But as you can see, so we'll add this point. Command OK. Just make this program super quick. Add a couple approach and retract points. And then restart it. We're sending it home in this case. Come over. Automatically calls TRACC TCP for our tool. Okay, calibration is okay. TCP is okay. Do you want to calibrate? We don't want to calibrate because it's okay. Oops, I accidentally let go. And that's TRACC TCP.